is Redford, followed by Silver Snake in lane 2, USA Chevy in lane 3, and J&A in lane 4. 3, 2, 1.
My God, Joey.
Off the record by about 4/100ths of a second with 3.17 was
Lexi, Jack. Second we came in.
Up next is Justin Culver in lane 1, the third day in lane 2. Jeff Span in lane 3. And in lane 4, number 34. 1, 2, 3. Wow, and another fast race with a time of 3.19. 5 good. Wow. First and second were within 1/100th of a second. In lane number 1 is Boy Scouts of America. Lane number 2, Venom Attacker. Lane number 3, Holy. And lane number 4, Army 1. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Yes, that's the strap. We have a time. Should we rerun? Rerun the whole heat.
Alright, Coley Bully.
Well, regular logistics for the car that jumped off its track, so we're going to rerun that heat.
Look at him. And I told him about I'm not going to get
Stay. Sit with the boys.
Mom, I'm going to record this.
I got it.
Hold your mic at it further.
3, 2, 1. Okay, this one's over.
I'm the vampire with his monster back. I win it.
First place is Holy with a score 3.21. Boy Scouts of America. Everyone.
Safe.